In today's video, I will show you how to disable the downloading of your TikTok videos. This feature is ideal if you want to maintain full control over your content and prevent others from downloading your clips. If you weren't aware of this option until now, follow along as I guide you step by step on how to turn it off and protect your videos. First, open the TikTok app and log into your account. Once you are on the homepage, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. When you reach your profile page, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, then select Settings and Privacy from the menu. After opening the Settings page, go to the Privacy option in the Account section. Now scroll down and find the Downloads option in the Interactions section, then tap on it. Finally, toggle the switch next to the Download option to disable it, and that's all you need to do. Once you turn off the download option, users won't be able to download your videos, but they can still share the link to them. This means others can view the content through the TikTok app or website, but they won't be able to download it directly to their devices. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it with your friends, and consider subscribing to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. See you very soon, and thank you for watching.